So my name is Michael Jones. I work for Ben Franklin Transit. I am currently a dial-a-ride driver. Come this June will be 8 years that I've been employed with Ben Franklin Transit. When I first started, I was a coach operator, and then I moved into facility maintenance, and then I came over to dial-a-ride. I don't like to be complacent, and I love new adventure, if you will. And then it's just further education to succeed and further growth with Ben Franklin Transit. My favorite part of the job is just being out driving, being out in the Tri-Cities. And so I always keep that in my head to give some positivity when you're out there and traffic's thick and heavy and you're running late and dispatches has nowhere to move rides. So the relationship between dial-a-ride drivers and dispatch is it's family. They're our backbone when we get into a pinch, and then they're there to make sure that all of our clients are picked up in a timely manner. We're picking up people with disabilities, some that are facing life challenges. There is a client that holds a big part in my heart for her. She's great. I look forward to picking her up because she's been down to where she just wanted to end it all. And through conversations of taking her home, and then meeting her husband, and then picking her up when she's out on the town at Chuck E. Cheese or Outback. It's really good to see that she has that big support from her family too, and that she's continuing to follow through with the treatment to persevering and keep on living.